Hello guys, welcome to School Tech Discovery. Basically what we do here is that we go out there to make an extensive research on how to make money online and so many other unique things. And when we get this stuff tested and trusted, we'll bring it forward to the public to benefit. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my beautiful awesome content, YouTube will be able to notify you so that you won't miss out. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to make real cryptocurrency just for just playing game at your own leisure time. So all you need to do not forget, check the description of this video. I'll be dropping the link there so that you get the exact link. So let's get started. So as you can see, it says Cotec. I have the balance of 0.024410. I've cashed out countless times while I was testing this, and it's actually 100% legit. That's why I'm bringing it for air so that you all can benefit. Do not forget to please subscribe. So let's get started. It's very simple. All you need to do is you go click the end money after you've done the registration. So you say play games. As you can see, there are various types of where you can earn PT, C8s, and the likes. So you can see various types of games here. You have wherever, but I love to, you see temple run and the likes like that. I love to play this precise game. I love to play this precise game. So bubble pop adventures. So just quickly show you. So you can see this place here, it's counting. It's actually telling you after every 2 minutes you will be able to earn. So once you're playing the game, after 2 minutes you earn in cryptocurrency, to be precise USDT, the stable coin. So all you need to do is to close this age and you see the play button, sorry. So then you click play. So it's actually loading, as you can see. So all you need to do is to play the game. I actually finished level 1. Let me just click one back so that it's to just show you guys how the whole thing work. So this is the game. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple. All you need to just do right now is to start playing this game. As you can see, I'm playing the game right now. So it's very simple. As you can see, take note of this place. Once it is 0000, you are going to see what you've earned for playing the game. So just take note of that, please. You're gonna see it very soon. So let's just keep playing the game. We keep playing. We keep playing the game. So it's actually 1540 12 seconds. So 098, we are to pay attention at the time so that you see the earnings. So it says 0 point, can you see it? 0.0065 USDT for playing the game. So that's how you keep earning. Even if you don't play, just by just leaving it this way, as long as you are on that game, you're gonna keep earning that way. So this is 100% legit. So let's just quickly go check the whole thing. You can see right now here my balance, as it has increased by 0.0065. So let's just quickly check financial history so that you see. So it says earning history. I want to quick show you guys what this stuff is all about. So this is what I've earned. It's legit. So I haven't tried it that far. I just discovered this whole thing. So as you can see, it says play bubble pop adventures at this. Can you see? So that's earning history. We're not going to look at it because of time. So it's very 100% legit. So I want to show you other ways you can earn money this way. It's by PDC aids. You watch aids. As you can see, it says to watch this is for this figure 15 seconds. So I just to visit this place. So you just have to watch that is for about 15 seconds. So the aid is actually loading properly. I think I'm having a network problem. So you can see the aid is actually loading. It says 5-4. My network is actually not too good. I don't know what's happening. So you say claim reward. All I have to do right now is just to click the claim reward, and just click that more robust stuff. Then I click claim 0 point wherever USDT, and boom, you're gonna have that added to your balance. So it's very, very simple. I don't know what's happening. So as you can see, it's very simple. I have to just click the claim. So I'm actually done claiming. As you can see, it's very simple. So I have to do, you can see my balance it's actually increasing. So let's just quickly check our earning financial history and check our earning history. You're gonna see it there right now. Very, very easy. Okay, where is it? So it says view PTC 8. You see, it's actually legit. Very, very legit. So it's very simple. That's how you keep earning. You have to do the tax repeatedly. So it's very simple. So please check the description of this video for the link. So and ensure you keep watching this video for more explanation. So let's just go back to the home page. As you can see right now, yeah, basically that's all you need to know about this. Okay, that reminds me, so sorry for that. There's something you need to understand with this precise stuff that I'm teaching you guys right now. There is what we call membership. As you can see right now, currently it says there that I have your current membership is free membership. It means that I don't have any pro membership with them right now. So but let's just quickly read what their membership is all about. That reminds me, before then, every 2 hours, take note of this, every 2 hours you earn this, your opportunity to earn this on free membership. It says you will get 0.000150 USD every 2 hours. Every 2 hours you just come log in and you get this on free membership to increase your bonus. So all I need to do to claim this is to say I'm not a robot. As you can see right now, it's actually loading. So once it's I'm going to put the claim. I'm going to click the claim. So it's done. So as you can see, it says what claimed. So I have to wait for so minutes. That's roughly about 2 hours, 100 and something minutes. Let's quickly check my balance. You see, it's increasing. So let's just quickly go check the financial history, that any history. It's going to tell you how and that stuff. So you see, it said claimed bonus. So everything about this is well organized, and you can actually transfer all stuff to your wallet. So it's simple. We're going to check on that. So let's just quickly, like I said, let's just quickly read about their membership stuff. It's actually from Indonesia, this platform. Sorry, I'm trying to find this right now. Okay, it says let's okay buy membership. I'm currently on free membership because I needed to test the whole thing. So it says upgrade membership free membership. It says contract 00 days. It says max daily games earning, meaning the maximum daily games earning that I can earn, the USD I can earn maximum daily is 0.00500. Claimed bonus earning, the maximum bonus I can be claiming every 2 hours. I can actually claim more than that, but for every 2 hours, this is what I can claim: 0.000150. It says games earning. It says 0.0065, like you saw when I played the game. Then it says daily withdrawal for set pay. It says 0.01. So for monthly withdrawal direct, it says 3. You see, and it says referral earning. You have 5% for referring anyone. So you can see, I'm actually currently on this free because I needed to test the whole thing to get how it work before I bring it for the public to benefit. So it all depends on you if you still want to be in the free or you want to upgrade. But the truth is that it is 100% legit, and I'm certain about this. I've tested it, I've withdrawn. We're gonna check everything out gradually. So what's it says for starters, we have what we call starters membership. It says the contract is 30 days. The max daily games earning is 0.12, meaning for every day you earn 0.12. That's about 12 cents, 0.12 USDT. It says claim bonus earnings. You can actually, your bonus earning will not be just 150, it becomes 0.001500. Can you see? But for free membership it says 0.000150. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So you can see right here. So it's two different things. So for status membership, it's increasing. Games earning is not 0.00065, it's 0.00650. So you can see. So for daily withdrawal you can withdraw up to 0.15. For monthly withdrawal you can withdraw up to 5 USDT for monthly withdrawal. And for referral earnings, this is 5%. It means that you can get more than 5 USD, but in a month the maximum withdrawal you can make is actually 5%. You understand? And when you buy this what's it called, starters membership, you buy it with just 3 USDT. Do you understand? What it means is that you can earn more than $5, 5 USDT. More than that, you actually earn more than, 5 USDT. Yeah, you can earn more than that actually. And you can actually earn more than that. So for the basic, as you can see here, it says contract is 30 days and max daily games earning is 0.22. The claim bonus earnings is 0.03200 and the likes. Games earning is 0.000810. The daily withdrawal for set is 0.25 and the monthly withdrawal is 10. As you can see, the price to buy this membership, basic membership, is actually 6 USDT. So it says for gamers, okay, membership contract is actually 20 days. Max daily games is 0.35. It says claim bonus earning it's 0.00500. Games earning is 0.00970. And it says that monthly withdrawal it's 15, and for price is actually 10 USDT. So you can see the whole stuff. Right, you can actually check this stuff yourself so that I won't waste much of your time. So there are lots of the membership, and you have to do your calculation and know which is actually better for you. But the point here is that you should know it's actually 100% legit. So that's why I decided to bring it out for you guys to see on how you can actually benefit from it. So it's very easy, and it's not something difficult to do. So, and as well, you can as well invite friends, and you earn from their mine, from their tax, what they do or what they mine as well. So this is very easy. It's very simple, and that's all about this platform. So do not forget, please do not forget, kindly hit the subscribe button below. If this video in any way has added value to you or giving you any information you never knew, or not this video precisely, any other of my video that you probably might have come across and you benefited in any way, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.